Welcome to the tutorial. So do you want to block someone on Facebook Messenger, right? Just follow me. Check our website for more details. Step 1. Open Facebook Messenger app. Step 2. Search the person name you want to block on Messenger. Step 3. Tap on the person profile image. Step 4. Scroll down, and click on the block button. Step 5. Tap on the block on Messenger to block the user. If you choose the second option, the person will be completely blocked. It means the person will be no longer available on your friend list. So avoid this if you just want to block a person from the Messenger. See, the user has been blocked from the Messenger. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.